How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to learn A minor, how to do A minor the easy way to advance to the next level. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is with your right here, your pointer, just put it on the second to last string. All right, this is what you're going to want to do. Put the second to last string, and then right above that, on the C end, okay, right there. Eddie 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. Okay, so there you go. See that right there? Okay. It's a Wild Horses from the Rolling Stones note. That is A minor. That's the easy way. Because there's only one way to play A minor in the open position. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to get you, if you want to try to start this and try to start your guitar journey, try to just go into the guitar and try to learn the shape, get your hands nice, and go from A, if you already know A anyway. Or from, you can go also do this too. So from G to A minor, A minor to A, whatever. Try to just, when you're sitting on your couch, just go from all these chords into one another and you're going to be fine. So again, A minor on the second to last string, third to last, and then fourth to last string. If that's how you can remember it, great. Or the old-fashioned way, Eddie 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. Okay, so Goodbye. So Eddie 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie, right? Figure out from there. A minor, the easy way, the only way. Remember to leave a like and also subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.